Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today we are going to talk about Vladimir Putin as Labrador Retriever's breeder. No, it's joke. Today we are going to talk about Labrador Retriever's genetics, and these dogs can go in three colors: black, chocolate, and it looks like white, but actually it is yellow. So black, chocolate, and yellow. And here is a problem. In Labrador Retrievers, the allele for black coat color, or capital B, is dominant to the allele for brown coat color, or recessive allele B. However, if lab has two copies of recessive allele for a pigment deposition gene E, it can only have yellow coat color in a cross of two doubly heterozygous black labs. So here is a genotype. What fraction of the next generation would one expect to be yellow? Take a look. If a lab would have two dominant alleles B and at least one dominant allele for gene E, and we don't care what other allele is going to be, whether dominant or recessive, the color of the coat is going to be black. Or another variant would be one dominant allele B, one recessive, and at least one dominant allele for the color deposition gene. Then this is going to result in black coat color of the retriever, so black. And if genotype of the animal is going to be small b, and at least one dominant allele for the gene E, this is going to result into the chocolate color or brown. So we put brown. And if genotype of the animal is going to be anything for the gene B, so it can be any with two dominant alleles, two recessive alleles, or one dominant, one recessive allele. But if animal is going to be recessive for the gene E, this is going to result in yellow coat color. And you see, we call this epistasis, when one gene would affect other genes. So no matter what is the genotype for the gene B, if gene E going to be homozygous recessive, then the color of the animal is going to be yellow. Now let's return to our problem. In a cross of two doubly heterozygous black labs with following genotypes, what fraction of the next generation would one expect to be yellow? In this cross, we actually interested in this gene E, and both animals are heterozygous. In order to find what fraction of the next generation is going to be yellow, we have to find what fraction of the next generation are going to be homozygous for the gene E, homozygous recessive. We just need to build simple Punnett square. And we know that one animal is heterozygous for the gene E, and another animal also is heterozygous for the gene E. And when we build simple Punnett square, let's take a look what going genotypes and phenotypes be in the next generation. Capital E here, capital E, small e here, capital E, small e here, and small e here. As you see, 1/4 of the next generation are going to be homozygous recessive for the gene E and would be yellow. And this is answer D. Thumbs up if you like this video. If not, thumbs up at least if you like Vladimir Putin. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.